My name is Alina. I am an adult geriatric nurse practitioner. I have a Blue Diamond membership. My grandmother, she was a nurse who actually went through World War II, and that was probably in the family, in the blood, but I love helping people, and aesthetics definitely a big portion of Empire Medical, but it's also clinical part of it. It's a lot of medical education, for instance, dermatology courses, the cadaver courses, the courses that requires you to have a deep knowledge about different aspects of human body. I was not expecting that it's gonna last that many months, but I enjoyed every single course. It's my family. It's a lot of people who I met, a lot of interactions, a lot of support. We meet each other, we educate each other. When I bring new knowledge from Empire Medical and share it with my patients, I think the day is beautiful and done. And I say 100% that I work 100% of my time and the time of my patient. Am I saying that I am grateful that I'm a part of the Empire? Yes, I am. Should you join? 100%. My name is Alina Sarkisian, adult geriatric nurse practitioner. I would like to welcome you to Empire Medical Training.